If you want to check the capacity and the battery health of the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Galaxy Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install Samsung Members on your tablet. As you can see, we have already installed it. After you download it, then just tap on Open. Now after you arrive on this page, from here just tap on Diagnostics and select Tablet Diagnostics. Now if the diagnostics automatically started, just tap on the back button and select Stop Diagnostics. Now from here just scroll down and tap on Battery Status. Now after you do that, it will check the battery capacity and the battery health of your tablet. As you can see, the battery capacity of the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is 7040 mAh and the battery health is good. Now if you want to check the battery health in terms of percentage, like as you see in iPhones, then just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now from here just dial this *#9900#. After you arrive on this screen, just tap on Run dump state/logcat. Now it will take a few seconds. Now after this process is completed, then just tap on OK. Now from this list, just select Copy to SD card include CP RAM dump. Then tap on OK. Now if you go to your home screen, now let's change the orientation of the tablet. Now if we open the Files app, now from here, just tap on Internal Storage. And from here, instead of Essentials, just select All. Now after you do that, then just scroll down and over here you will find a folder called Log. Now as you can see, these are the log files which we have generated on our tablet. Now to access these files, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your tablet. Then tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on the Files icon over here. Then tap on the three lines over here and tap on the name of your tablet. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Log. Now from here, just tap on the folder which says dumpstat, and after that the model number of your tablet is written. Now after you arrive on this page, just tap on the search icon. Now in the search bar, just search this. Just make sure you type the text as I have typed it because it is case sensitive. Now after you type this text, then tap on search and select OK. Now as you can see, this is the battery health of our tablet. And as you can see, the battery health of our tablet is 99%. And this is how you can check the battery health and the capacity of the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.